Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about setting compliance policies for the organization. G Suite provides some really nice features for configuring email compliance policies for an organization or entire domain. Compliance policies mean different rules that you can configure. Suppose you want that no one receives multimedia attachments or images or music or video files from external users in your organization. So you can set up a compliance rule for the same. What G Suite will do is it will remove these attachments and only deliver the messages to your users. There are a bunch of such compliance policies that you can create. So let's see how you can create one. We'll click on apps icon on Google admin homepage. We'll click on G Suite, Gmail, we'll scroll down and we'll find advanced settings. We'll click on advanced settings. We'll select the organization for which we want to set up a compliance rule. For me it will be olivetech.io, that is the parent organization, and then we'll scroll down to compliance section, and then so here is the compliance section. You get many options here, and then we'll search for attachment compliance. There we go, attachment compliance, and then we'll click on configure. We'll give a short description for the rule. Let's say compliance policy to remove multimedia attachments. There we go. And then the email messages to effect. So I want, for me in this case, will be inbound messages. I don't want any inbound messages in my organization that contains multimedia attachments. So for the next says add expression that describe the content you want to search for in the message. So we get two options: if any of the following match the message, and the next option is if all of the following match the message. So we'll select if any of the following match the message, and then we'll click on add. Where it says expressions, we'll click on add. The attachment is of type, so we want video and multimedia, music and sound, and images also. That's all from the list, and then we'll click on save. If the above expression is matched to the following, so the option is saying if the above expression, we added three types of file: video and media, music and sound, images, and now it says if any of the incoming mails contain these kind of attachments, what should we do? Should it modify the message, should it reject the message, or should it quarantine the message? So we are going to say modify the message, and then we are going to scroll down, and then attachments, remove attachments from the message. You will also get a message that says attachments were removed from an administrator policy, so that you know originally some attachments were sent to you, but then it was removed according to the compliance policy that we're setting and according to the administrator policy. Now we'll click on show options, and then we'll click on account types to effect. We'll click on users. We want it to be applied to our users. So that's all, and then we're going to click on add settings. And once everything is done, do remember to click on save, then only your changes will be reflected. So we've successfully created a compliance rule, we've successfully applied it to our organization, and then we've saved it. So let's check it whether whatever we've set up is right or not, whether it's working for us or not. To test our compliance rule, what I'll try to do is I'll try to send an attachment file to my G Suite account. So test mail. We'll write mail to test the compliance policy we set for the organization, and then I'll attach a maybe image file. So I'll just quickly attach an image file. There's one, and then once it's uploaded, I'll click on send. Meanwhile, in my incognito window, I'll open my account, Gmail account. So here is my Gmail account, and we're trying to send a email attachment to it from an external user. That is also another account managed by Google. So here we go. Let's see whether we received the mail or not. Yes, we received the mail. Let's see whether we received the attachment or not. There we go. As we set up the rule, we didn't receive any attachment, and also we received a appended message that says attachments were removed from because of administrator policy. So we now know how to set up a compliance rule. We tested it, and it worked completely fine for us. It worked the way we wanted. So I guess that's all for today, and thanks for watching. See you till next time.